Hey guys, Billy Davidson here, Davidson Pressure Wash Painting, Hammond, Louisiana. As you see this roof, I want to show y'all something. A lot of y'all roof guys out there, I don't know if y'all running across this. This is about my third one this year I've run across. This roof is green in color, dark green, and we know what that means. That means oxidation heaven for that type of metal. And to complicate things and compound things, the homeowner has bought some of these DIY products from your Home Depot or your Lowe's and sprayed it up there. That spray and forget. Yeah, that doesn't work out too well for metal roofs. You need to know your chemistry when dealing with that, and obviously there was a mistake made here. So this can be cleaned. It is expensive, you know, to get it looking good. The green over here, Soft Wash SH, you good to go. But this right here is going to take some scrubbing. It's going to take some oxidation remover. Take your pick. There's tons of them out there on the market. I'm not going to say which one I use on here specifically, but you know, if y'all want to know, you can always get in touch with me. I'll tell you directly. But yeah, so what this is going to take is several applications, long scrub brush, ladder work, maybe J-rod, rinsing this off to get it to come back green. So keep that in mind. Now, price-wise, you're looking at, yeah, I quoted them over the phone just for the carport, $500 to $800. It's going to be on the top end there, and then on top of the roof, this other roof, it's going to probably be another $500 to $800 to soft wash that. So you're looking at a neighborhood somewhere around $1,500 to $1,600, maybe $1,400 if we're going to bundle up the house and add that in for a few more hundred. So to keep that in mind, this heavy oxidation is not your normal soft wash type deal. You know, you can throw some 3, 4, 5% up there and it'll look better. It ain't gonna come out good though. It's gonna take some mechanical action, scrub brush, that sort of thing. So, and it's a little hip roof too. So you got this other end over here to the left. So guys, I hope this helps. Y'all got any question, as usual, you're always free to reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to me. And if you want to know how I land all these calls, well, I hadn't landed this one yet, but I am bidding it. So this is about our 8th or 9th one today. I done lost track. So if you want to know how I do it, no Google AdWords, no Facebook, no newspaper, no flyers, none of that crap. That's for the birds. So anyway, get in touch with me, 985-345-0778. Again, I'm Billy Davidson, the owner of Davidson Pressure Wash Painting. We'll talk soon.